The GQ Best Stuff Box of Winter 2024. We're gonna be opening it up to see if the items inside this time are actually worth it. The GQ Best Stuff Box gives you a box every quarter that's worth around $150 or $200, they said, for about $50. So a few of these have been a dud, and some of them have been pretty good. So today we're gonna be opening up the winter version of this box. I did not cancel my yearly subscription in time, so yes, I am renewed, so we're gonna get 4 more videos, and we're gonna enjoy them. All right, let's get into the unboxing.
If you're interested in getting your own GQ Best Stuff box, there's a promotion right now at GQ to get the box for $20 off a quarterly subscription or $30 off a yearly subscription. So check it out with the links down below. So first off, we have the Avant Pro Intense Day Cream, which retails for $117. On eBay, they sell for around $20 to $30. Next up, we got some True-Me mushroom gummies. One is Boost and one is Focus. I take this as a $0 sample. A set did sell on eBay for $3 though. Next up, we have the Schwangarten Antioxidant Essence Toner, and this is valued at $9 for this size, but none sold on eBay. Next up, we have the Anthony's Hair and Body Wash combination. This size is valued at $18, but I've seen some sell on eBay for $5 to $6. Next up is the Thorlo No Show Active Sock, and these are valued at $14 and sell on eBay for about $5 to $8. And tried these on, and these are actually pretty comfortable. Next, we have the Oxford Hill Textured Clay Pomade, and they didn't have a price for this size, but on eBay it's $8 to $9. Last, we have the big winner of the box, the Rains High-Low Weekender Duffel, which is valued at $95 and sells on eBay for anywhere from $35 to $50. This Rains bag is definitely the ringer of the box. It actually looks pretty cool, and I think I'm going to make a review about this bag. So the total estimated value for this bag was $363, but if you use the eBay calculations I did, it comes up to be something around $100. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, or don't.